Hi everyone. In this video, we are going to talk about how the shape of a distribution affects the statistics we use to describe it. We'll focus on three things: distribution shapes, skewness, and choosing the best measures of center and spread. Let's get started. The shape of a distribution tells us how the data are spread out. There are four common shapes you see. The first is a uniform distribution. In a uniform distribution, the bars are about the same height. That means values occur with roughly the same frequency. The second is a bell-shaped distribution. This is the shape where most values are near the center and the graph looks balanced on both sides. The last two shapes are skewed distributions. A distribution is skewed right if it has a long tail pointing to the right. In the skewed right distribution, the majority of observations are on the left. A distribution is skewed left if it has a long tail pointing to the left. In a skewed left distribution, the majority of observations are on the right. Example 1. Let's identify each distribution shape. Question A. Long tail to the right. The shape should look like this. Since the tail points right, the distribution is skewed right. Part B. Most values in the center with symmetry. The shape should look like this. That describes a bell-shaped distribution. Part C. Bars are approximately equal height. It should look like this. That is a uniform distribution. And question D, long tail to the left. It should look like this. This is skew left. Now, let's connect distribution shape to the mean and median. For uniform distribution, the mean, median, and mode are equal. For bell-shaped distribution, the mean, median, and mode are approximately equal. But things change when distribution is skewed. In a skewed right distribution, some larger values pull the mean toward the right. As a result, the mode is less than the median, and the median is less than the mean. In a skewed left distribution, some small values pull the mean toward the left. So the mean is less than the median, and the median is less than the mode. The key idea is that the mean gets pulled toward the tail. That's an easy way to remember it. Example 2. A distribution has a long right tail. Is it skew right or skew left? This is what a distribution has a long right tail looks like. Since the tail points right, this is a skew right. Question B. Which is larger, mean or median? Remember, in a skew right distribution, the mean gets pulled toward the tail. Therefore, the mean is greater than the median, so the mean is larger. Now, let's talk about which statistics we should use. For a bell-shaped or symmetric distribution, we use the mean for the center and standard deviation for the spread. For a skew distribution, we use the median for the center and IQR for the spread. Why? Because outliers affect the mean and standard deviation. A few unusually large or unusually small values can pull the mean away from the center. The median and IQR are much less affected by outliers. That's why they work better for skewed data. A quick rule to remember is symmetric distribution use mean and standard deviation. Skew distribution use median and IQR.